here at Wonderlab, the Statoil Gallery at the Science Museum. We're going to have a fantastic time because it's the 2016 Richie Lecture. We've got Dallas Campbell, we've got interactive games, but most of all, we can go round and have a look at the exhibits. They're fantastic.
Well, this is the third Richie Lecture, and we're pleased today to have it here at the Wonderlab, which is a great new facility here at the Science Museum, which Urenco is proud to be sponsoring. What we're trying to do is encourage students to think about science, technology and engineering and mathematics subjects. And it's about inspiring them and actually saying that's a path they ought to follow. And we're delighted to have Dallas Campbell actually do that lecture for us today.
I think the most important thing about lectures like this is getting home that message that science is for everyone. It's not just for scientists. I think there is still a perception that only scientists or sciencey types are allowed to talk about science. And I think that's the most important thing, to make science inclusive, not as something that's other.
Events like the Richie Lecture are a really valuable way to engage young people in science, technology, engineering and maths. They give young people an opportunity to see scientists and engineers working at the cutting edge and bringing stories back of what science and engineering is doing for our society at the moment. And they're really inspirational.
I really enjoyed today because he made it very engaging, the talk, and it made space and matter more interesting. I like the fun lab because I've never been there before, and you got to actually touch. That was fun.
My favourite one was the slide, that one which is going so fast. That was really cool.
I loved today because I learned a lot and I realised that electric is really cool. So I feel really inspired and I really wish to become a scientist when I'm older.
I like the quiz because we got to work as a team and we won as well. So
I really enjoyed it because it makes me think about the future and it makes me want to go in the world and change something about the environment. It makes you feel better when you help someone. It gives that little light in your heart.